Hi, my name is Kalle and I work at Peltarion. Mean squared error, also called MSE, is the most commonly used loss function for regression. That is, a problem where you want to predict a quantity. Mean squared error is good to use if you believe that your target data is normally distributed around the mean value. Mean squared error is sensitive towards outliers, and given several examples with the same input feature values, the optimal prediction will be their mean target value. A real-life use case is if you want to build a deep learning model to predict house prices. The price is a continuous value, and therefore we want to do regression. MSE can here be used as the loss function. You can actually learn how to do this in our tutorial Predict Real Estate Prices. So, the math. This is the formula for mean squared error loss. Well, as the name implies, it is given by the mean squared difference between the true value y and the predicted value y hat. You can read more about how you can use mean squared error on the Peltarion Knowledge Center, but you always learn best if you try it out yourself. So sign up now and try it out. Bye.